something that costs a lot and then you don't even use it? This is my night guard. $500. It was sitting under my sink cabinet for a while, a very long time. And then last night I realized that I really need to put it on because, look, my teeth are dirty in. And the reason why I have this is because I was grinding my teeth at night. What can I possibly be nervous about and anxious about? I don't know. But now I gotta sleep with this thing on. Oh, my guards are important. If your teeth are starting to grind. Because when I become old, I want to still have teeth.